Hello everyone. Today let's learn about voice. We have two voice, active voice and passive voice. Active voice is a grammatical voice common in many of the world's languages. It is the unmarked voice for clauses featuring a transitive verb in nominative, accusative languages including English and most other Indo-European languages. First of all, for learning voice, it's very important for us to understand how to write a sentence and also to learn about tenses. A sentence is written in active voice when the subject of the sentence performs the action in the sentence. Example, the girl was washing the dog. A sentence is written in passive voice when the subject of the sentence has an action done to it by someone or something else. Example, the dog was being washed by the girl. Now we might understand active and passive. So where do we use passive voice? The passive voice is used when we want to focus attention on the person or thing affected by the action. Normally, the performer of the action or the agent comes first and is made the subject of the verb, and then we use the active form of the verb. The other person or thing is made the object of the verb. Now you might wonder, how do you identify active and passive voice? To identify the passive voice, find the verb and ask who or what performed the action. If the who or what that performed the action is at the beginning of the sentence is active. Look for the word by which is often an indication of the passive. So here, when you see in active sentence, the verb is the subject. When you convert it into a passive, remember that this verb, which is the subject now, will become the object when you write it as passive voice. To change an active voice sentence to a passive voice sentence, we must remember three main rules. Number one, make the object of the active sentence into the subject of the passive sentence. Number two, use the verb to be in the same tense as the main verb of the active sentence. Rule 3, use the past participle of the main verb of the active sentence. So this is how we convert active voice to passive voice. For further understanding, better work out few examples and work on the exercises. Thank you.